We are currently getting ready to go to the hospital. I couldn't sleep last night because, you know, I'm anxious. So if you guys don't know, Atley had an enlarged kidney when she was in my belly. And then she had surgery when she was like 5 or 6 months old. So twice. And then to fix the blockage of her kidney. And every year we fly out to Texas to get her ultrasound, do some work, checkups, and see her urologist. So every year I get pretty, around this time, maybe like a month before, I'm always like out of my element and pretty anxious. Not like super anxious, just like out of my element and a bit worried because, you know, when your child has to go see urologists and stuff, and sometimes you're just nervous that the news won't be good. But I just have to not worry until you get results, and so far it's been great these past couple of years, so hopefully this year will be good as well. So I will take you guys with us. Maybe I might film, I might not, but I definitely will update you guys. So yeah, my hair is like super oily. I put some of this like sea salt spray, and now it feels like it's like all like I went to the beach. I don't like it. I was trying to put some texture in my curls, but in the end it just made my hair look kind of like greasy. But I'll check in later. Atley, where are we? Where are we, Atley? She's trying. Nana's take a picture. Where are we? Get your
here from the
hospital. We're gonna get her ultrasound, right?
We're in the doctor.
Not yet. We're gonna get our ultrasound first, and then we'll go see your doctor. You have such a good attitude, huh?
The boy.
Dr. Marks, huh? There's Nai. You look so pretty.
You look so pretty.
You look so pretty, huh? This is my mom's Lena Iena bag, and I was talking to LV Coffee Lover, and she was saying she was having her straps come apart. My mom's had her since the winter time, and I don't see any issues with strap or any glazing issues. So we'll keep an eye on it, but she doesn't wear it very much, so we'll see. This is what it looks like on me. Really cute. And then got Miss Atley here, and your Elsa doll. And then got my phosphor backpack, and then coffee. Lay down, lay down. Lay down, baby. Lay down. There you go. You're being such a good girl. And then when you're done, I'll give you a chocolate chip cookie, okay? Hey guys! I am currently, obviously, still here in San Antonio, Texas, driving my mom's car. And I just, so humid, sorry. I just dropped off my daughter at a play date, driving back. And I didn't get to update you on Atley's appointment. So she's had, I don't know if you guys know, but she had an enlarged kidney. And so she had to go for her appointment. And her annual appointment until she's about 5 years old. And the great news is that everything is stable. She's doing great, and we won't have to see her surgeon and do another ultrasound until next year. So that's great news. I'm so happy. So thank you for all your support. Now I can actually finally relax. But yeah, so that pretty much, I just wanted to give you guys an update. And we're here for another like 3 weeks, and I'll try to vlog. The things that are coming up are just, you know, spending time with family and stuff like that. I'll try to vlog if there's anything exciting or something that you guys I think that you guys might want to see. So sweaty. But next week JT's flying in to Austin, and then I'm gonna pick him up, and then we're gonna stay at this really cool downtown loft. I will take you guys there because it's like really cool from what I've seen in the pictures. So yeah, I think you guys might enjoy it and hang out with me and JT and Atley in Austin.
And yeah, so that is it, guys. I will vlog more, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Thank you so much for all the sweet comments, and yeah. Hey guys, oh, sorry, the background's different. I'm actually in my mom's closet. The kids are taking Atley's taking a bath in the other bathroom, and yeah, so I figured I'd do a quick review on my mom's, is it called Iena or Lena? I don't know, but she purchased it, like maybe 6 or 7 months ago, and I kind of just wanted to touch base on it and let you know how she's liking it. So she pretty much doesn't wear it very much. She says she doesn't, I mean, it's comfortable. I like put it on my shoulders and I liked it too, but she just says she doesn't reach for it too often. I think it's because she's not really into big bags anymore unless she's traveling. She says it's great for, you know, like traveling, but other than that, like, she doesn't really grab for it. But then again, she doesn't really grab her luxury bags too often. I was talking to Louis Vuitton Coffee Lover, and she was mentioning that they don't make the monogram anymore. I'm not 100% on that, but she had some issues with her straps coming apart right here, and I guess some other people are having glazing issues. I looked at my mom's bag like everywhere, and the straps look fine everywhere on each side. I mean, everything, the vachetta, the patina looks great. There's no watermarks on it, and actually she got some coffee water on it and there's like no issues or anything whatsoever. So honestly, I don't really see there being an issue. I know there was mention that if you like leave your zipper open while you're holding the when you carry the bag, maybe there's like, actually I don't really know what the issue is with this bag, but so far no issues. I really like it a lot. I'm gonna quickly empty it out real quick. She has this stuff, and inside it has like this maroon brown color. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then it has a D-ring right here, and then it has like a back pocket back here that's actually quite spacious, and then 2 more pockets underneath here. You can put a phone and like some more items. So I'm going to quickly show you what can fit. It's very comparable to the Longchamp Le Pliage. I showed you that in my video when she first bought it. So I currently have my Chanel Walk. This is the comparison because this is all I have right now. I'm going to put it in here. I have my mini pochette. I'm going to put in there. Altoids I'm going to put in there. Put this makeup bag in there, and then this is another full-size purse, my vintage Fendi purse. I'm gonna put in there in just a second. I'm gonna put my Chanel card case in there, and then this is fully stuffed. I'm gonna put that in there. Oh my gosh, and there's like so much room. Honestly, like it probably fits like half the stuff in there. I mean, you could put more than that inside this bag. I like the new canvas on this bag. I'm actually used to like the old canvas because I haven't purchased from Louis Vuitton recently, and their canvas, the canvas that I have is old, like stiffer. This is like a very, very soft canvas. I love this front pocket because you can put like so much in there. A full-size makeup bag, and then yeah, it's great. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it's made in the USA. So yeah, this is a really, really good bag. If this bag is discontinued, that's kind of sad, but I would even consider getting it in a monogram, in the Damier Ebene print. So yeah, I like this bag. I think it's a great mommy bag. I think it's a great travel bag. Justice! Shh. Very comparable to the Longchamp Le Pliage. And I will link that video down below when my mom first purchased this bag. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how this bag is wearing and tearing. It's not really accurate because my mom's maybe worn it like 3-4 times. But she does like it. It's just a very, very big bag for her lifestyle. But I personally think, from my perspective, it is a great bag for travel, mommy, and shopping. I don't like how the flap is already starting to This part's gonna go up. But other than that, I think you can probably buy it pre-loved. I don't know. So far, no issues on it coming apart, glazing issues, but if there's any more updates or any changes on this bag, I will let you guys know. But I like I love especially that it has a zipper on the top, so that's the biggest thing. And yeah, that is, oh my gosh. Alright guys, that's about it. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down below. That's just a quick update from my perspective. Like I said, it's not my purse, and again, sorry for this background. This is my mom's closet, but a lot of you guys were asking how my mom liked it and updates, so that is my perspective. If you like videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up and comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys later, and sorry for the background noise. Bye.